lower the heat so that we don't speed the cooking process. Soft on the inside. We have drumsticks here, and I want us to make KFC crunchy chicken today. We have salt, add paprika, add garlic powder or garlic paste, ginger, dana jeera, chicken masala, cumin, chili. Mix them until they are evenly mixed. We have a secret ingredient that will take your chicken to the next level. That's barbecue sauce, and we got it from Kaputei. And of course, a touch of Kikkoman soy sauce. It's the best ever. We are also going to add lemon juice. We have our sliced lemon over here, and we're just going to squeeze the juice. It's really juicy, and you can use the remaining lemon for maybe some lemon water or something. Yeah, so that we also work on our health both ways. So that's enough, and then you mix evenly. Before we marinate the chicken, we need to slice a bit so that the marinade can go into the chicken. If you just marinate without slicing, what will happen is that everything will be at the top and the inner side of the chicken will not enjoy the marinade. We have our slices done, so we are going to add the marinade. You can see the way it looks, so inviting, so delicious. Leave a comment down below with how you marinate your chicken. So I'm just going to pour everything there and mix with my hands so that it's faster. You can see it's giving. And don't lose anything. You know, chicken, you can put it inside here and remove whatever is remaining in the container. So don't lose any of the goodness of this marinade. Ensure it is evenly done. Yeah, I have cleared, and it's like I'm getting the bowl dirty. Yeah, because my hands are dirty. Yeah, so everything is inside the chicken. Ensure you let them into the spaces that you have sliced, so that by the time you're cooking, it's getting through every part of the chicken. If you just put at the top, you'll be disappointed, because the top will be delicious, the inside will be having a funny taste. You're wondering whether it's the same chicken that you're enjoying, and you're the one who left out something. Yeah, so we are done with the marinade. So we go to the next step. The next thing we're going to use is corn flour, and this helps it stick together as you cook. So we're going to add it here. Oh, it's sealed. You remember our sealing hack, that is open on this side. Yeah, so we just add it here, and we get the chicken there. Oops, see, let me tell you, when you're doing recipes, the mess that happens is, I'll bring you behind the scenes, because sometimes it gets crazy. Yeah, so we'll do this for all the pieces. So once you ensure, you just shake to lose the excess cornstarch. Yeah, like that, and then you place it here for the next step. So that's the mess that is left, and we have some little marinade that was left in the container, so we are going to use it. Leave a comment below if you know what I can use this cornstarch for, because I feel it should not go to waste, and I cannot put it back in the container. So I would love to know what else I can use to use this cornstarch. Next thing, we have our breadcrumbs and we have our eggs. So we are going to season our eggs a bit so that even the coating will have seasoning. So I think for the eggs, I'll just add salt. For the breadcrumbs, I will add some paprika, just give it another taste, and also add some salt. Yeah, and and we are going to add some garlic, yeah, and cumin. I forgot the cumin, just to enhance the flavor. Remember, the coating will be at the top, so you also need to feel the flavor from the top as you go into the chicken. We also mix the eggs. I've added just a pinch of paprika, that's why it has some reddish. Next step, we're now going to add this here. We are now going to coat our chicken. You can marinate for like 30 minutes before you coat, and you use your one hand to coat under wet and the other one to do dry, so that you don't get too much of a mess. Yeah, so you can see it's getting some color from the different ingredients, and I'm very sure it's going to be very delicious. Yeah, so we coat until each and every part has the breadcrumbs. If you have ever tried this recipe, leave a comment. And if you've come across this channel for the first time and you liked this video, kindly consider subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. We really value you, and we appreciate all of you for getting us to monetization. We are now on the road to 2,000 subscribers, so kindly continue supporting us until we get there. Yes, so we are going to repeat the process for all of them. I'm going to leave them for a few minutes, so I'll just cover them so that I give them time to evenly mix, and then I come and fry. Make our crunchy chicken, and at first you can see the oil is hot, so we're going to allow it to get in and then lower the heat so that we don't speed the cooking process. So the heat is high now, and then I'm going to allow it to cook for a while. Then I leave it under low heat so that it cooks evenly, even on the inside. You can see they are doing very well. The coating is giving it justice, so you just need to give it time to cook, because you can see they are a bit big. I actually prefer drumlets, but I couldn't get them, so I made do with the drumsticks.